We'll guide you through how to update multiple rows data in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the start screen fully loads before continuing. Once it is ready, open a workbook that contains the data you want to update, and make sure the correct worksheet is active so you are working in the right place. Next, review your dataset carefully to identify the rows you want to update. Ensure the data is organized clearly in rows and columns so it is easy to read and edit. After that, click and drag your cursor to select the multiple rows you want to edit. Confirm that all selected rows are correct before proceeding. If you want to update the same value across multiple rows, start typing directly after selecting the cells. Then press Ctrl Enter to apply the same change to all selected cells at once. Observe that all selected rows are updated simultaneously. If you need to enter different values for each row, click on the first cell in the row, type the new value, and press Enter. Move to the next row and repeat the process until all necessary rows are updated. For a faster method, you can use copy and paste. Copy a value using Ctrl C, then select multiple cells where you want to apply the value. Press Ctrl V to paste the value into all selected rows quickly and efficiently. You can also use AutoFill to update multiple rows. Select a cell that already contains updated data. Then move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until the fill handle appears. Click and drag downward to apply changes automatically to multiple rows and release the mouse when finished. Review the updated rows to ensure accuracy. If needed, use Undo or press Ctrl Z to fix mistakes. Adjust column width if the new data is not fully visible, and apply formatting such as bold or color if necessary. Finally, save your Excel file after completing the sorting process to ensure all changes are stored properly and can be accessed later without losing your updated data.